everyone, welcome back. Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in the Scratch tricks, today I'm going to tell you if you do not like Scratch auto-defined fonts, then there's also a way to import your own fonts. So let me just do that. So here are some fonts that we have in Scratch, and those fonts are sans serif, serif, handwriting, marker, curly, pixel, and some Chinese, Japanese, and all. So then, if you're not just satisfied with these fonts, so what can you do is you can go to Google Drawings. You can just type in Google Drawings, okay, and then you have to just click in there and you should have a login. What's this? Nope. Google Drawings. Um, yeah. No. Google Drawing. Where did it just go? Okay, if it just go, so let's just try. So what let's do is let's go to the official site of Google Drawings. Yeah, here we go. So this link, maybe I'll give you docs.google.com and /drawings, and you should be logged in with your Google account. And then let's bring in a text box like wow, like whoa, this is cool. Okay, and what let's do is let's just make it 30 and a bold, and now is the thing. So now like I want Amatic or say I'm in Pacifico. Nope. Like I want Amatic. Let me just select all. This looks good, right? Then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna um save it as a yeah, save it as a .svg file. Then we have our .svg file installed. Then we'll come here and we need to upload our svg file which we have just got here, and then here you saw that let me bring it here. So you saw that I got the font imported from Google Drawings. Like I want another, like say I want another font that's lobster. Okay, and again I just go to file and download as a svg. Then we'll go down and upload that again. So we go to upload and we're gonna upload our thing. So after that we'll bring our wow, we got a lobster, as you can see, right? We got a lobster font. Then let's go and try with another font. Same, we want, hey, let's bring it a little here. Okay, let's bring it here and let's try a new one. So here it's not there, so go to the more fonts and you will be able to see more fonts. And now let me just open a new window and try. Yeah, let's close this. This has become very, big. So now we go to more fonts and let's bring a good font here. Same. Figilla 1. Okay, this one we'll take, and okay, so we'll just take all this and make this. This doesn't look good, so let's try with another font. So like we want Oswald. Okay, yeah, this That's cool. So now just again you have to click on download and SVG. Remember that you're just downloading it as a SVG and please not as a PNG or those. Only an SVG brings an the font or else it won't. Now when I just go to text and click on the text, you will see that uh, hmm, so like I have lobster here, I have I'm a tick here. So like that, you can also import your own fonts by typing the text in Google Fonts. Use all the fonts as Google Fonts has given many to you, and then just try importing many fonts. Hope you enjoyed and hope you will use it in your projects. And thank you all. Please subscribe our channel for more updates.